What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a review of the Adidas Prophere Cookies and Cream. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because the moment we hit 5,000 subscribers, we're giving away an Adidas D-Rup. The moment we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away an Adidas Prophere. Subscribe now. The Adidas Prophere is one of my favorite sneakers because number one reason why is because not everybody will wear a shoe like this. I mean, seriously, can you see that giant chunky midsole, all of those spikes, the three big stripes along the sides for the lace guard or everything else? I mean, seriously, this is not a shoe that everybody will wear. And I think that's the main reason why I love wearing it. Because it's just so different. It's just so, I don't know, like disruptive to what everybody else is wearing when it comes to the sneaker market out there today, where everybody loves Jordans, NMDs, Vans, and all of the other sneakers out there, Boosts. I think this is just a really different shoe, and it's a really edgy shoe to wear at that. Now, over the past few months, my Prophere collection has grown considerably. And one of the shoes that came out, that I loved was this triple black shoe. But to be honest, it's not really triple black because the only thing black about it are really the midsoles and then the stripes over here, because the dominant part of it, which is the upper, is primarily gray with black accents. And that, I think, was the main problem with this triple black Prophere. I've been looking forward for Adidas to release a true triple black, a shoe that's predominantly black with, like another color as an accent, and not this one, which is primarily gray with black accents. That's where this shoe comes in. This, of course, is the Adidas Prophere Cookies and Cream, which is an exclusive to Seoul Academy over at BGC. It's a fantastic shoe because, again, it's dominantly black. So I think they got it right this time around. And then they just added like white specks all over the upper to be able to give it more character and more personality. You have a white part over here as well. You have white lace guards, lace tips, Then you have a black trefoil logo of the Adidas there on top of a white silver kind of background. You also have a white, I don't know what part do you call this one, like a heel, heel guard. And then the heel counter, you have the typical black leather. And of course, when it comes to the outsole, you have that white accent again here with the Adidas logo. The real reason though why I love the shoe as a Prophere fan myself is because this is the second most limited Prophere that you can get today. Because the only limited Prophere that came out was this shoe. This is the undefeated collaboration with Adidas for the Prophere. So this is the only like limited edition kind of Prophere that came out in the Philippines. Everything else are general releases. You can get them at whatever sneaker stores or Adidas stores that are out there. And I've been looking forward to a new Adidas Prophere collaboration, a new Adidas Prophere limited edition shoe. And this is where this pair comes in. The Adidas Prophere Cookies and Cream is exclusive to Seoul Academy. They have a limited run in terms of quantity, so not everybody will be able to have this pair. So I think that's one of the main reasons why I loved and why I really decided to pick up the shoe immediately. Because one, it's really more of a true black than the triple black. And number two, it's a really limited edition or exclusive type of Prophere that I've been wanting to get my hands on for the longest time. And the great thing about it is that it just costs the same as all the other Propheres. It sells for 6,000 pesos, a little over $100. So it's great value for money when you think about it in terms of exclusivity, in terms of versatility, in terms of how you would wear it, and the overall value do you get with this shoe. Now, just a few things that I needed to point out to people who are going to buy a Prophere for the first time. Number one, it is kind of heavy. Obviously, with all the stuff happening here. So you might want to pass on the shoe if you're looking for a shoe that you want to walk on for extended hours. For example, you need a travel shoe or you need a commute shoe. This probably might not be the best one. But if you just want a pair for like fashion or for like just being standing out or for going on casual dates or casual gimmicks, or if you have a casual like work environment at work for your office, I think this fits the bill really well. And I'd recommend that you guys get this one over the triple black or the other models because again, this is the next most accessible limited edition Prophere here in the Philippines. It costs the same amount anyway. Number two, when you're buying it, make sure that you either go true to size or you go 0.5 up. Why do I say that? Because this leather part here at the back makes it kind of hard to put your feet in the shoe. You'll actually need the shoehorn to be able to smoothly put your feet inside the Prophere shoe. Now, the good news is, not a lot of people know this, that over time, this leather loosens up. This leather actually allows you to insert your foot without too much effort, and then it becomes a much better, this sounds like a tech term, but it's much better user experience to be able to put your foot in the shoe, foot in the Prophere when this starts to loosen up. By the way, one pro tip, if you guys want to maximize the comfort that you get with your Prophere, what I would suggest is that if you do have an Adidas D-Rup shoe, get the Ortholite insole that you have there, the one with the pillow, and then put it in here, because that really helps with the overall comfort and helps with the foot fatigue that you guys experience with the shoe. Now, I tested it out again one more time tonight. I just actually came home. It's around 12:30 or 1 a.m. if I forgot. I just came from the Ed Sheeran concert. So I practically stood there for the majority of the event, and that was like several hours of standing and walking. And this one held up primarily because of the Ortholite insole from the Adidas D-Rup that I inserted in here. A lot of other alternatives. You can check for several other insoles that you can get from Dr. Kong, Backjoy, and several other brands that you can get from department stores and other stuff. Now, I did mention I was in the Ed Sheeran concert, then this vlog wouldn't be complete with some snippets from the concert itself. So I hope you guys enjoy this very short clip before we progress with the review.
Sinking, wasting. You go back to singing when I'm place your head on my beating heart. Sing with me, minute. Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go.
And that's actually it for this vlog. I just want to keep it simple, straight to the point. The Adidas Prophere remains to be one of my favorite shoes, one of my favorite sneakers, and I highly recommend that if you guys don't have like a shoe like this yet in your collection, that you check it out at the nearest Adidas store near you. Or if you want the Cookies and Cream version, that you make your way over to Soul Academy to be able to pick up a pair. Take note that this is not sponsored. I bought the shoe with my own money. It just so happens that I really love this particular silhouette. And that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more content coming up this week. God bless. Peace.